Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Self Employed. First, connect your bank and credit card accounts to automatically import transactions. This saves you valuable time by eliminating manual data entry. Next, categorize your income and expenses to clearly see where your money is going. Finally, activate mileage tracking so every business trip is logged effortlessly. These initial steps lay a strong foundation for managing your self-employed finances with ease and precision. Managing your money is straightforward with QuickBooks Self-Employed. You can quickly categorize transactions as business or personal with a single swipe, ensuring accuracy. Never lose a receipt again. Simply snap a photo with your phone and it's stored securely. This continuous tracking helps you identify every possible tax deduction, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars when tax season arrives. Stay organized and maximize your savings. QuickBooks Self-Employed simplifies mileage tracking and tax preparation significantly. The app automatically logs your business mileage using your phone's GPS, saving you from manual calculations. It also provides real-time estimates for your quarterly taxes, helping you avoid surprises. When it's time to file, you can easily export all your financial data directly to TurboTax Self-Employed, streamlining the entire process. This integration makes tax season much less stressful. Beyond tracking, QuickBooks Self-Employed offers powerful reporting tools. You can generate clear profit and loss reports to see how your business is performing at a glance. It also prepares your Schedule C report, making tax filing straightforward and accurate. These reports provide valuable insights into your spending habits and income streams, helping you make informed financial decisions. Understand your business better and plan for future growth with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.